Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. The zygomatic bones are like small helmets on the sides of your face on each side. They're also known as cheekbones because they help shape your cheeks and the area under your eyes. Now these bones can make someone look really cool and attractive. Imagine when you smile and your cheeks look all high and defined. That's your zygomatic bones and not your cheeks showing off. If someone has strong, high cheekbones, their face looks more defined. Now, here's the interesting part: high set cheekbones make shadows and angles on the face that people find really interesting and attractive to look at. It's nice to look and pleasing to look at. It's like how you might like a drawing with cool shapes and details in the face more than a plain one. Faces are like that. It makes your face look like an art, a piece of art. And these bones are just under your orbitals. Now, the zygomatic bones have an effect on the face, which is called the OG curve. As we've talked about it before, that it's like a shadow that stretches from your mandible to your lips and from your cheeks down to the chin. All, when I say all, I mean 99.9% of the models except for the fat ones have this OG curve. First, let's find out if your zygos or cheekbones are high set or low set. On the left, you can see Johnny Depp, who has low set cheekbones, and on the right, we have a model called Islam Dulatov, now a UFC fighter who has very high set cheekbones. Now, high set cheekbones are ideal and preferred. High set cheekbones also contribute to supporting your under eye area by giving support to your orbital bones. Now, in case you might have low set cheekbones or maybe your zygos aren't that prominent, there are a few ways to make them more outwardly and prominent. You might have heard about pellet expander. It's like moving, but on hard mode. What it actually does is that it expands your palate and pushes your cheekbones and maxilla on its edges by working on the inside, on the maxilla. You can just go to an orthodontist and get it done by them. Now, I have three more methods for zygo now. The second one is creating the effect of palate expander. Naturally, maybe you're too broke to afford a moving appliance like an expander for like $50 or something, and maybe you just have your own real reasons. Now, in that case, we have something called thumb pulling. First of all, clean your hands, wash your hands thoroughly, since you will touch your face and mouth. Then go to the mirror to make sure you're doing everything right. The third thing you will need is patience. Changes happen slowly over weeks and months, not in a day. Now, find the right spot on your jaw. That's the first thing. Open your mouth slightly, take both thumbs and place them inside your mouth, with the pads of your thumbs resting on the roof of your mouth and the palate. Your thumbs should be positioned slightly behind your front teeth, right where the hard part of the roof begins. This is the maxillary bone area that we want to apply pressure to. You will feel it when you put your thumbs onto it. Now, position your fingers for support. Place the index and middle fingers of both hands on the outside of your face, just above the upper lip, near your nostrils. Your finger will act as a stabilizer while your thumbs work from the inside. The pulling motion. With your thumbs pressing against the roof of your mouth, apply a gentle and upward pressure. Imagine you're trying to push your maxilla upward and slightly forward into your face. Keep the pressure firm but gentle. Never apply too much force. Now, how to visualize it? Let's visualize it. Think of pressing up direction of your nose bridge and slightly forward toward your eyes. The motion should feel like you're lifting the roof of your mouth. Hold the upward pressure for about 30 to 60 seconds at a time. Keep breathing through your nose and focus on the light. Constant pressure is key.